Financial experts strongly advise against going into debt for your wedding. So here are some ways to cut costs while still enjoying having your dream celebration. Skip the huge ceremony and opt for a private one with your most immediate family members and close friends. It saves on cost, but also allows for a more intimate experience. Avoid a large venue with a hefty price tag and rent out your favorite bar or restaurant for your closest guests. One couple in Philly spent just under $2,000 for a secluded space, an open bar, and a DJ for 3 hours for a party of 42. A spontaneous couple in Brooklyn decided to elope and then hopped on a plane to the Bahamas that very night. After their 5-day, all-inclusive romantic honeymoon, they took their families out for an intimate dinner to celebrate their nuptials. Financial pressure is real when it comes to planning a wedding, but if you don't have a huge budget to work with, then skip the status quo and do it your own way. Whether that means hosting a backyard celebration at home or a small courthouse wedding and an after party to follow, you and your partner can still say "I do" to your dream wedding.